Why is nobody talking about how Igbo people have been in existence even before Abraham was born? The world's oldest iron smelting site is located at Opi-Ileja, Enugu State, Igbo land. And the site was dated back to 20th century, which was 2000 BCE when Abraham was born. That is about 4,000 years ago. The Usude Pyramid is located in Udi, Enugu State, and was dated 3000 BCE, approximately 5,000 years ago. Archaeologist G.I. Jones proved that Igbos evolved in their land when he visited Ugwele Uturu Cave and other archaeologist sites located in Igbo land in 1930. This is a proof that Igbo people existed before Abraham was born. Igbo people have been living in Opi-Ileja and Usude for thousands of years even before Abraham was born. Allegedly, Eri is not from Israel but from Opi-Ileja or the Usude, who migrated to form the Aguleri and the Inri kingdom. Do you know that Okpara in ancient Kemetian language, that is Egypt language, means the first son? Have you also wondered why our ancestors say Orise Binigwe? Orise is the Kemetian name for god of the sun, thunder and lightning, just like Amadioha. Have you wondered why your ancestors built pyramid in Enugu? Do you know the origin of pyramids and their spiritual essence? The truth remains that Igbo and Egypt have been in existence before Abraham was born. There are more cultural similarities between ancient Egypt and Igbo people. The ancient Igbo civilization is older than Israel. The Igbos is the only tribe in West Africa that has 85% same cultures, arts, tradition, crafts and technology with Egypt, and their ancestors traded with each other. Such proofs is the iron smelting site and the Usude pyramid. Allegedly, Igbo people did not come from Israel. Igbo people were created by the elemental creator, the God. With this, tell me in the comment section if the Igbo people really came from Israel.